Meal replacement shakes or protein shakes? Which one is for you? What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jing here from Authentic Energy, your personal wellness and body confidence coach. I'm here to help you become healthier, happier, and more confident. So if you like healthy lifestyle tips and you want simple and fun ways to get fit, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. So in today's Ask Me Anything Friday, we're going to dive deep into this popular question. Protein shakes or meal replacement shakes? Which one's for me? And especially for weight loss, should I drink protein shakes or should I drink meal replacement shakes? And what are the differences? I thought they were the same. Now, how many of you have been asking me this question? Comment below if you're also confused about the two types. And also maybe some of you are using the words like meal replacement shakes or nutrition shakes and protein shakes interchangeably because you think they're the same thing. Let me know if you think they're the same thing and you really thought that they were doing exactly the same thing, serving the same purpose. Let me know in the comment below. But I can answer this question for you, okay? Let me tell you this, protein shakes and meal replacement shakes are two complete different things and they serve two different purposes, okay? So it really depends on what your goal is. If your goal is weight management, such as weight loss, then you have to go for meal replacement shake. I'm gonna get into that in a second, okay? And if your goal is to fuel your workout and for athletic performance, then you have to go for a protein shake, okay? So I'm gonna break it down in detail with you guys in a second. So before we go into the details, in a nutshell, what you guys have to remember is this: a meal replacement shake is simply a product that is to replace the nutritional value of a meal, but to provide you with lower total calorie intake. Lower calories than the calorie amount is lower than the meal. Okay, and a meal replacement shake does contain protein as well, but the protein value is not as high as a protein shake. So on the other hand, a protein shake basically is designed to provide protein, just protein for your diet, and also to add the protein value, to add extra protein to your diet. And it's that simple. You just have to remember the main differences between the two is such. So guys, confusing a meal replacement shake with a protein shake is actually a mistake that can interfere with your weight management or your workout goals. So you don't want to make that mistake. And I am going to show you there's a very easy way to distinguish the two. Okay, so make sure you get your notes and your pen ready and let's take some notes. Now, for meal replacement shakes, all you have to remember is that a meal replacement shake is intended to substitute one or two meals of your daily diet. Okay, and a meal replacement shake is usually formulated with vitamins and minerals. And a meal replacement shake offers more fiber, carbohydrates, and calories per serving than the protein shake, although they are lower in calories than actual meals. And lastly, meal replacement shake provides protein, but at lower levels than most protein shakes. Now, moving on to our protein shakes. Okay, what are the main features of a protein shake? So protein shakes are intended to supplement a regular diet, but not to replace a meal. And the protein shake is to be consumed before or after a workout. And the protein shake is typically around 25 to 30 grams of protein per serving. And the protein shake usually have less than 5 grams of carbohydrates, since they're not intended to be full meals. And lastly, a protein shake tends not to contain any added vitamins and minerals other than those provided by the protein source. Now, did you guys get those? Okay, I hope you're taking a lot of notes today. So in a nutshell, both shakes, protein shakes and meal replacement shakes have their individual uses and purposes, right? So as a consumer, it's very important for you to pick the right product for the right goal. Okay, so basically, if your goal is to achieve a good athletic and fitness performance and to build muscles, then a good protein shake is really good for that, because a protein shake can actually fuel a very intense workout, and also it can help you tone your muscles, help you build muscles and repair your muscle tissues. And on the other hand, a meal replacement shake is really good to help you lose weight or maintain weight. So I hope you guys got this main notes down, and now you know what is right for your goal. And I believe a lot of you guys here are after weight loss. So it is actually very simple for you to opt for meal replacement shake. But also, I do have to make a note that I understand a lot of you are very active. You do a lot of workouts, and also your goal is to lean up, right? And to burn body fat. So in this case, I would actually suggest you to have both meal replacement shakes and protein shakes in your nutrition program. Now, it's very important for you to talk to your coach so that you can get the right meal plan to get to your right goal. Okay. So if your goal is to lose weight, you want to look at meal replacement shake, such as our Herbalife Formula 1 nutrition shake, which is a meal replacement shake. Why you have to look at meal replacement shake, not a protein shake? That is because a meal replacement shake contains both macronutrients and micronutrients. And they typically contain about 200 to 300 calories. And that is a lot lower than a typical meal, but provides you high nutrient density. And this is what we want to look for weight management when we're looking for a really good meal replacement shake. It's not supposed to give you a lot of calories and a lot of sugars. It's meant to give you a balanced macronutrients and micronutrients, but with low calories. So like I mentioned, remember, it's between 200 to 300 calories for a good meal replacement shake. So with the meal replacement shake, such as our Herbalife Formula 1 meal replacement shake, you can actually consume about 1 to 2 shakes a day to replace 1 to 2 meals, because each meal replacement shake already contains the macronutrients and the micronutrients you need in the meal with lower calories. Okay, so those of you who are on the weight loss program, you can see that typically we suggest you guys to replace your breakfast and lunch, or just breakfast and lunch, or breakfast and dinner. So that's 1 to 2 meals a day with a meal replacement shake. And with that, you can achieve a healthy weight loss. Okay, now guys, I want to give you a little bit of fact here, okay, to tell you what qualifies a meal replacement shake. There's actually a regulation for that. So according to the European Union Commission regulation, what qualifies a meal replacement shake is such, okay? So basically, the energy of each meal replacement serving should be about 200 to 250 calories. And then the protein content should be about 25 to 50% of the total energy content of the product. Okay, and then the fat content should be 30% or less of the total energy content of the product. Then finally, the vitamins and the vitamin mineral content should be 30% or less of the total nutrient reference value. Okay, so these are the rules, the regulations that the European Union Commission regulations have actually set out there to basically assess and qualify the products out there in the market. Because there's so many brands and so many types out there, right? And sometimes we just get so confused, and which is why, I chose Herbalife, because it has been, formulated to suit our body and to basically cater for what our body needs, our nutritional needs are, in perfect nutrition portion already. Okay, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of today's episode, and please do keep asking me anything, okay? And make sure you submit your questions to our email, our team email, which is team@AuthenticEnergy.co, or you can leave your question in the comment below. I'll make sure me and my team, we are actually going on the hunt for your good questions. All right. And if you enjoy learning here, if you enjoy learning with me, you're gonna love my online fit club, my Authentic Energy online fit club. So for less than $10 a month, you will get weekly live workout with me, and you will get weekly healthy recipes and healthy tips, and also live nutrition coaching with me. And this is a great chance for us to hang out outside of YouTube, and a great chance for you to learn additional things from me, especially those of you who want to get additional Herbalife nutrition coaching from me. Okay, so this is a great chance. So make sure you click on the link above and join as a Fit Club today. All right, so thank you so much everybody for watching this episode. If you really love it, make sure you like it, comment and share. And of course, if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Okay, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I'm here every Monday, Wednesday and Friday to give you the best tips on personal wellness and how to get healthier, happier and more confident. Okay, so I'll see you guys inside the Fit Club.